The monsoon is more than just a season. It is the heartbeat of Bangladesh. Nestled in the Great Delta of South Asia lies a land where life, culture, and survival are dictated by the heavens pouring down. For some, rain is a symbol of love. For others, it is a struggle. And for millions, it marks the beginning of a new life. Fields, rivers, wetlands, forests, and cities, everything awakens under the touch of rain. Behind every drop lies a timeless story, a remarkable cycle of nature and the life of millions of people. Welcome to the story of the monsoon of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the lush green country in South Asia. It's bordered by India to the north and west, Myanmar to the southeast, and Bay of Bengal to the south. With a need of nearly 147,000 square kilometers. It's home to more than 200 million people. Bangladesh is one of the world's largest river deltas, formed by the mighty Padma, Jamuna and Meghna rivers along with hundreds of smaller waterways. The picture just before the monsoon is strikingly different. The scorching heat of summer sucked the life out of nature. Canals and wetlands dry up to the bone. The sky remains cloudless, dry and harsh. Under the unforgiving sun, the earthquake opened the desperation. Birds, animals, and weary farmers thirst for a single drop of water. Nature gasps for breath, waiting for the shower fish. Across much of the country, temperature frequently rises 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. In the western region, they can climb even higher. Before the monsoon, the land of Bangladesh absorbed a relentless sunshine. The midday sun burned overhead. Then one day the sky began to change. A dark cloud gathered across the horizon. The cool breeze replaced the scorching heat. Daylight slowly fades. Thunder echo in the distance. Nature pauses. Then the first rain falls. Soon the skies open with heavy rain. Then begin the relentless downpour. Day and night, the rain pours without pause. Rain brings life back to the land. Canal and wetland fill with water once again. Rivers regain their natural flow. Fields turn bright green. Washed clean of dust, the trees and plants burst into a vibrant and deep green. The barren nature again is lost youth almost overnight. Frogs begin to sing. Insects fill the air with sound. Nature comes alive. Bangladesh is reborn. For Bangladesh, monsoon is a blessing. But when the skies remain open for days and powerful upwelling water rush down from the mountains, that blessing slowly turns into the disaster. The rivers begin to rise. First the low-lying fields disappear beneath the water, then the village roads. Soon the flood reaches people's home. The monsoon is the season of fish. As water level rise, native fish spread across the rivers, canals and floodplains. Fishermen head out with nets and traditional fishing tools. At dawn and dusk, their boats glide through rain-soaked water. The monsoon sustained both nature and rural livelihood. Bangladesh's agriculture depends heavily on the monsoon. With the arrival of rain, farmers begin transplanting and rice seedling. Men and women work together in muddy fields of hours. This rice will later feed millions of people. Every raindrop is blessing for farmer. The monsoon gives Dhaka a completely different character. Rain washes away dust from the city. Trees appear greener than ever. Yet heavy rainfall often causes waterlogging on busy roads. The sound of rain, rickshaw, buses and cities life blend into unique rhythm. The monsoon makes Dhaka both beautiful and challenging. This is the story of the monsoon in Bangladesh.